Temperatures were in the 70s. It felt like spring out there, but this is the time of year where we call that kind of false spring. We're still in winter and we'll have those cooler temperatures return likely next week. But yesterday, how about yesterday's almanac here in Louisville? We had a morning low of 48 degrees, which was above our daily average high. We made it up to 73 by the afternoon hours. That was 1 degree off our record high temperature set back in 2020. And this morning, temperatures are still fairly mild in the 40s and 50s across Kentucky. But take a look at the range across the region. We do have cooler air moving in behind a front. It's 34 degrees in Indianapolis, but 49 in Louisville, 55 in Somerset, 54 in Bowling Green, and a bigger picture view showing it certainly still feels like winter just off to our northwest. Single-digit temperatures in Minneapolis, in the Dakotas as well, below zero in Bismarck. That's the actual air temperature this morning. Temperatures in the teens in Nebraska and Iowa. Now, that cold air not really making its way to us just yet. So temperatures will stay pretty moderated as we head throughout this week, more so in the 50s, the 60s, maybe some upper 40s. It's really not until we head into early next week that cold air starts to return, coming in from the north and northwest. So next week, expect more of those highs back in the 30s and 40s. Don't put away those big jackets just yet. Max HD satellite and radar, that cold front that's tracking through the state this morning, not bringing us any kind of rain here, just some cloud cover around this morning. A few sprinkles were possible overnight. Otherwise, these clouds will gradually thin and clear out throughout the day. Wind speeds still pretty gusty out there early this morning, but throughout the day, we're expecting winds from the northeast only between about 7 to 15 miles per hour. So not as windy as yesterday, but today was an interesting day. We had temperatures still in the low 60s just after midnight, so that will likely be today's official high temperature when we talk about it later on in the day. Temperatures are dropping this morning and will likely only rebound back into the lower 50s by this afternoon behind that front. Tonight, clouds increase once again with overnight lows dipping down into the 30s for tomorrow morning. We'll have some patchy drizzle throughout the morning hours, and then by the afternoon that drizzle transitions over to shower activity. And yes, we're seeing some pink off to our north. They could be having freezing rain more so in central Indiana and Ohio, but we are looking at all rain for us here locally. As a warm front lifts, those temperatures will continue to warm into Thursday night with scattered storms developing here. And some of these storms could pack a punch. We do have a level 1 out of 5 on the severe weather outlook for tomorrow into tomorrow night. But at this time, that's only for our southern counties. So this will be a trend that, of course, we do watch over the next 24 to 48 hours here. Showers and storms will continue into Thursday ahead of a front that's going to dry us out and cool us off again on Friday. And then this active weather pattern really sticking with us. More of those ups and downs with temperatures, more rain on Saturday, and then as I mentioned, trending cooler heading into next week.